and welcome to Gardening with Soul in the land of El Sol. And today I am standing under my little leaf mulberry tree, also called the Arizona mulberry, Morus microphylla, or microphylla, whichever way you want to say it. This is a tree that the birds planted for me. Now, if I planted a mulberry, I would have planted a cultivar with big, juicy fruits on it. But the birds planted this, and they gave me the native, and the fruits are a little bit small, but they're incredibly sweet, incredibly delicious. And this year is like the third year fruiting, and it's just fruiting wonderfully. Cardinals are, because they were here well, yesterday actually, and I thought they had picked all the ripe fruit off the tree, but I guess not. So these white ones aren't ripe yet. The ones you want are turning to purple, at least on this variety. There is a Morus alba, or white mulberry, that their fruits are white when ripe. If you're going to plant your own mulberry, I actually like planting a white mulberry. And I had the Morus alba, the white mulberry, in Texas. And it was wonderful because the birds kept waiting for the fruits to get ripe. They wait for the color change. And meanwhile, the fruits were ripe as can be. Now, how to harvest, okay? You see me picking them off one at a time. You can do that, but when your hand's reaching through the branches, you generally knock a bunch of fruit off. So the best way is to spread some sheets under your tree. Just old bed sheets, or don't spread the good ones if you got the purple fruit, right? Spread some old bed sheets and shake the tree. And whatever is ripe will fall off. Because Mama Plant says, okay, I'm done putting my resources into you. You are ripe, you're sweet, you're good to go. And she drops them in a heartbeat, in just a little bit of shaking. So mulberries are a wonderful plant for our Arizona gardens. If you live in the Tucson city limits, they're like, it's illegal to plant a mulberry. Now, if you read the fine print, it is illegal to plant a pollen-producing mulberry, okay? And that's the male tree, the one that doesn't fruit. This is a female tree. She fruits. Does she need a pollinizer? A plant that will pollinate her? Actually not. There's a number of varieties that don't require the male pollen-bearing trees at all. So do your research. I'm going to do a post about it and get it up on the website when my website is up again. And actually, here's where I should plug my new book. Southwest Fruit and Vegetable Gardening, revised edition, has a list of those mulberries in it. So thanks for watching this little vignette about mulberries, about yummy, yummy mulberries that I'm going to pop in the mouth as soon as I get off the video. Thanks for watching.